Conventional, commercial-scale food production, processing, and distribution depletes environmental resources like groundwater, soil nutrients, and forests, while creating health risks for farm workers and pollinating insects when toxic pesticides are applied to crops. However, a rapidly expanding number of food producers, distributors, and retailers are creating more sustainable food systems as consumer concerns increase about the adverse effects of pesticides, the rapid decline in pollinator populations, and our ability to produce enough food to meet market demands while confronting the existential threat of climate change. The Sustainable Food Group's new sustainability standard is a robust certification for producers, processors, and promoters of sustainable agriculture. It prioritizes the needs of growers and food companies by creating more sustainable social and environmental outcomes.
The sustainability standard grew out of the Integrated Pest Management and Sustainable Agriculture program that the IPM Institute of North America developed in partnership with Cisco beginning back in 2002. As that program grew and the positive impacts expanded to encompass over 1 million acres, we decided to leverage our experience developing that program to make change on an even broader scale. We adapted and expanded the program, creating the Sustainability Standard, a third-party verified certification program available to any interested grower, packer, shipper, or processor.
The Sustainability Standard is owned and operated by Sustainable Food Group, part of the IPM Institute of North America. Our team developed the standard in partnership with Azul, an industry leader in data management who created the digital platform used to audit and assess farms and facilities participating in the program. We also collaborated with Primus Auditing Ops, a leading third-party auditing company that is the first certification body to offer on-site audits for the standard.
Through Sustainable Food Group's partnership with Azul, the Sustainability Standard can help you successfully track your metrics and share performance with your customers. Whether you are managing sustainability programs for a single operation or an entire supply chain, the granular nature of the audit data can be leveraged to create adaptive sustainability dashboards, giving you the visibility needed to make decisions and shape your program to reach your goals. There is an abundance of sustainability data that can be used to tell your story, and further integration is always possible to link your sustainable practices to measurable outcomes.
The scope of the sustainability standard includes many key practices within our food system, including soil health, pest and nutrient management, energy and water conservation, pesticide use, waste and recycling, worker safety and welfare, and more. It recognizes continuous improvement in sustainability through self-assessment and certification, and the audits may be combined with food safety audits to streamline the process. The breadth of the standard scope is complemented by its depth.
The Sustainability Standard has a deep focus on integrated pest management, a comprehensive and holistic approach to managing pests while minimizing risks to humans and the environment. As consumers continue to push for reducing pesticide use and risks in agriculture, the ability for companies and supply chain partners to verify adoption of IPM strategies at the farm level is increasingly important.
The Sustainability Standard is beneficial because it provides a way to track your commitments or your suppliers' commitments to sustainability, so performance can be communicated to buyers, shareholders, and the public. The self-assessment and recertification options document and incentivize continuous improvement over time, helping to build an agricultural system that is both resilient and sustainable.
As testament to its credibility and scalability, the Sustainability Standard is used by the nation's largest food service distributor, Cisco, and the nation's largest grocery retailer, Walmart. To learn more about how this certification prioritizes the needs of farmers and growers, food companies, and the environment, visit our website by clicking the link in the description below this video.